what's up everyone? And today I'm going to be doing a YouTube video. So I'm going to do a food review. There I have these. It takes a very long time to unwrap them. Give me a second. Okay, I unwrapped them. It takes a really long time for you guys to eat these. So, next thing drink I have is water. Nice water. I only like really cold water. Okay, so I like water. I only like really cold. Them chewy things are like very chewy and they really last a long time. The next thing I have is this packet of minis. Let me just open it. Right. Right, so I'm gonna review them. I can see how nice they are. Minis are really nice. Not so nice if you have blisters on your tongue, because they're kind of like you have blisters on your tongue. It's like salt and vinegar ones. So they're nice. Yeah, there's a lot in them. Water. Well, everyone knows how water tastes. Not like nothing. So. I'm not really sure what to say. These take a very long time for you to eat. Like, a very long time. So that's good for you. And a lot of them. So, out of all, 10 out of 10. Minis, 7 out of 10. Water, 10 out of 10. Chewy things, 10 out of 10. So, thank you for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.